I remember when I was a child, my dad had a candy store. My mom wasn't there. He would give me candy, and I ate it. And even when I was a kid, I still remember when I was about 5 years old, they took me to a doctor somewhere. You know, I was 5. I barely remember. All I remember is puking all over the woman when I could finish. All over the nurse. My teeth didn't really give me a bad problem until I became pregnant. My teeth went downhill. So I guess my body was craving something that it needed for the baby. That's what I think. And it took it from my teeth.
Dorothy presented to my office because her primary care dentist referred her because she had some broken teeth in her upper right side. And Dorothy has a really vibrant personality, big smiler. She used to even do some commercials. And so she came in and she was rather self-conscious that she had some broken down teeth. So we discussed options for her and she chose to go with implants.
People always said I had a pretty smile, so I take them at their word, you know. I must have, but not with big gaps in my teeth. I mean, I guess I could have had them all pulled and just had a denture, but I really didn't want to go down that road unless I had to. But, you know, you're a little bit subconscious about it.
So we removed the broken teeth and we used Yomi for precision guidance, and we placed 3 implants. And just to see her face light up when we were done and we delivered her crowns, it just brought her smile back to life. And it was really nice to see her come in and smile and be proud of how she looked again.
I know, that's the thing that's great. You don't even see that it looks great. It just looks like my own teeth. But I just went home that day and looked in the mirror. I couldn't stop looking in the mirror. Thought, oh my God, I really have my teeth back. Oh, a smile means happiness to me, but you just do it without thinking. It just comes along with being happy on the inside. You know, it's like, oh, that's great.